In this video, we're going over how to unlock the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra so you can use it with any carrier. Welcome back to another video. I'm your tech guide, Wayne. And in the video today, I'm going to walk you through how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app and make sure you're on the dialer. And you're going to type in *#06 and pound. That's going to bring up your IMEI. Make sure you write down the first IMEI you see at the top of the screen here. We'll use that later on in the video. Next, we're going to go home. And we're going to go to the Google Chrome app. And we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and just fill out a few prompts. The first thing you'll need to select is the manufacturer, which is going to be Samsung. Next, the model number, you're going to go down to Galaxy with a G, Galaxy S, and there are quite a few, Galaxy S22 Ultra right here. Tap Unlock Now. On the next screen, you'll answer a few more questions about where you purchased the phone, specifically what country and what carrier. In this case, it's going to be the United States. The carrier is going to be AT&T. And we're going to select Next. And on this final screen, it's going to ask you to enter your contact information. So the IMEI, that number that we just looked up in the first step of the video, your full name, an email address that you want your final confirmation and instructions sent to, as well as a contact phone number. And before you select Order Now, if we swipe up a little further, it will show you the price. So normally it costs around $45 to get this phone unlocked, but on this website you always get a discount. It will be as low as $29.99 with an average delivery turnaround time of 24 hours, up to 24 hours. So that's after you submit the order. They will send you that follow-up email that will give you the final unlocking instructions. Keep in mind that the process to unlock phones varies depending on what country you bought the phone in and depending on the carrier. So that's why in the video I can't show you the exact final step, because it really does vary depending on where you purchased the phone. So you'll submit your order, wait for that follow-up email, and follow those instructions. You'll also need to find the SIM tool in the box of your phone, or you can use a paper clip and simply bend it back. At the bottom of the phone here, you will find the SIM tray, and I'm going to use this tool to pop out the SIM card so I can then put in the SIM card of the new service I want to use it with. In this case, I want to use it with T-Mobile, so I should get a T-Mobile SIM card ready to be able to use with the phone. So that is it. Now there's a few more things I do want to show you guys. Let's go back to the website here. So one of the reasons I like this website and recommend it is because they do have a toll-free number you can call to follow up on your order. There's a number you can text. And if you go back to the main screen of the website, they do also offer a 100% money-back guarantee. My SIM card was not in all the way, so I lost data for a second there. So the website does offer a 100% money-back guarantee. In the event there is a hiccup and they're unable to unlock your phone, you will get your money back. So the fact that they have a contact number as well as a money-back guarantee definitely gives me the confidence to use this website, and that's why I'm recommending it today. So hopefully you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.